Namaste, Hari Om. Welcome to Shevadhi channel. Some of you viewers who are regular on our channel have already noticed that we cover yoga related videos on our channel along with many other subjects. And something funny happened when I was holding a yoga class recently in the morning. So I thought of sharing that with you along with that a funny section of the video. I just thought of just talking a little bit about various categories of asanas that we have. In fact, asanas can be divided into cultural, meditative, and relaxing poses. So, under meditative posture or the asana, we have the Padmasana or Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Or you have Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana or Swastikasana. These are basically the asanas that we use while we are sitting for either pranayama or for meditation. And then we take up the relaxation asanas. We have Shavasana that we also use for when we are performing Yoga Nidra, and actually while doing some of the meditation practices, we ask the practitioner to either sit in a meditative posture or lie down comfortably in Shavasana. And we also have child pose or Shashankasana. That's another relaxation pose, abdominal relaxation pose. So where we just lie down on our abdomen. And coming to cultural poses, this is an interesting category because almost all the asanas in this category are actually inspired by nature. These asanas or poses imitate various aspects in the form of animals or divine states of the being. For example, you have Vrikshasana, so it is inspired by the tree. And then we have Shalabhasana, or the locust pose. And we have Adhomukha Shvanasana. And then we have Bhujangasana. So all these things are inspired by things around us in nature. So coming to the fun aspect that I was referring to earlier, when I was holding the yoga class in the morning, usually in the early morning we get to hear the birds chirping because we have quite a number of trees around the house, and the sound that actually added to this nice birds singing was high-pitched noise from squirrels. That happens quite often, but this time it happened early in the morning. And then after the class I went out and I noticed that two squirrels on the branch of a tree, they just go kee 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 kee, and they keep bouncing their tail up and down while they're making that noise. It's quite funny. You get to see that video. So it felt as though they are trying to do Shalabhasana. So you just enjoy that video that's coming up. So as always, keep the humor quotient in your life. Yes, we all are going through a very tough time, and let's hope and pray that this pandemic comes under control soon. Meanwhile, let us do our best to keep our body, mind, and breath in ship shape, and let's try to keep our immune system in a strong state, so that way we can try to fight this pandemic. Please stay safe and take care, and at least devote minimum 30 minutes of your time to some sort of physical activity, and do a pranayama daily. These things actually help in keeping ourselves fit, both physically and emotionally. Thank you for watching. Hari Om.